So Facebook is monetizing people on pages and profiles. It's some people that got monetized on their page. Like I did, I got monetized on my page. It's some people that got monetized on their profiles. We don't even know how they sending the invites out. But people are getting monetized. That when they send the invite to the personal profile, they invite them to turn the profile into a professional page. And then when they turn it into a professional page, they have a dashboard and it says digital creator. And then that's how they're able to utilize that as their Facebook page. I didn't get monetized with my profile. I got monetized with my page. And when I got monetized with my page, I didn't even know Facebook had reels. So the invites, they come in so sporadically and random, but you need to be posting on either one, whatever you use most. But I would say use a page, because I got invited with my personal profile and it disappeared too around it. It was probably like 2-3. Well, shoot, it's probably been about a month ago now. I think that was a bunch of glitches that came out that particular couple of days that it was coming out. I believe that was a glitch, because a lot of us got invited on certain pages and all these different pages and stuff, and then all of a sudden it just disappeared, and then ain't been the same since. But my page that was monetized back in December is still monetized. But if you do it on a page, I think it's better, because you have more opportunities. They got Facebook stars. They have where you can get paid with the ads and stuff inside the, once you can go live, and then you can get like the ads played and all that type of stuff, or you can do on demand. They got so many different ways back there that it's better to have a page going. Yeah, you can have way more opportunities with the page. The personal profile, even when you turn it into a digital page, I don't know for certain if you get those same opportunities that you get over here on having a page. So I would just basically start out doing it on a page. Details. Just keep posting, and then post from your business page and your profile, whichever one get invited first. Because eventually you're gonna get your invite. Eventually you're gonna get it. Well, we hoping. But it's so many more things you can do besides just the per views. If you just keep posting your content and you posting it, and you can do so much more, because you can actually grow your page. If you actually have a business, grow your page about your business, and just use the reels to bring. Reels is what Facebook is pushing right now. So you want to just use reels. If you got a business, push your business in your reels as well. You want to push whatever you got going through your reels, and then just keep on going, because guess what? They might invite another page, or they might invite, I don't know, but it's good to have your own business when you're doing these types. You don't want to only depend on these platforms. You want to depend on everything you got as a whole, and it all supposed to combine. And that's how you get your multiple streams of income, not just one. Not just this situation, not just that situation, but you want multiple streams. So you want to combine it with what you already got going. So that's the best way to do it, is have it combined with something else and not just dependent on it. My page is doing a lot of, not a lot, I ain't gonna say a lot, but my page is doing better than my profile. And when I converted my profile over to a digital creator, it kind of started doing a little worse, like with the numbers. So I think that I just post on my business page and keep it moving. I ain't even really worried about the profile no more. I thought that since I got invited with the personal profile, I was going to be like, oh man, this is double. I can run this up and I can run this up. It ain't working like that. That's what I'm saying. You just got to go on and focus on getting one thing going, and just focus on that one. And that's why I always say page. I keep telling people page, but they keep coming back steady wanting me to say profile, as if, but I still think pages is the best. That's what I think. Now, it don't make it the best just because I think it, but that's the way I want to do my page, because your page allows you to do way more. And that's the stuff that I discussed. Your page allows you to do more things. So it's good to be able to post your reels and do all that type of stuff. But you want to combine it with other things so that you're not just dependent on the reels money. Facebook has all the control whenever you on a platform, they got total control because it's their platform. Every platform you get on, if you on Instagram, well, of course, Facebook owns Instagram, but if you on Instagram, it's their platform, it ain't yours. You on Facebook, it's their platform, it ain't yours. If you on YouTube, it's their platform, it ain't yours or mine. We don't own none of this stuff. So we have to know how to play the game. We have to know how to get in where we fit in, and we have to know how to make it benefit. But we can't solely depend on the views, because when they want to slow you down, they slow you down. When they want to speed you up, they speed you up. It's all on them. It's all on them. It's not on you. You can share it. You can do like things like that. But ultimately, you ever said something on the internet that you wasn't supposed to say, and next thing you know, you was in detention. Detention on the internet. You couldn't say nothing for a few days or a few hours because they have the control. So you got to know how to, don't put all your eggs in one basket and depend solely on that situation. You got to know how to diversify. That's what you want to learn. You want to learn how to diversify. Like Facebook is what's popping right now, you know what I mean? And YouTube is what's popping right now. So you want to position yourself right now. You want to position yourself right now. Yeah, but hopping on while it's hot, and creating you a foundation while it's popping is the best thing to do. And so if a person ain't got the invite yet, or if they got it and they said it was a mistake, or they got it and it disappeared, keep posting. And then I will be posted on, either pick the page that's doing the best and stick with that, or post on both of them and see which one get invited first. That's either way, whichever way you want to do it. Post on both to see which one you get invited, but you can't post the exact same thing on both. Not the exact same thing. It can't be the exact same thing on both pages. You got to switch it up. So if you recording, just record two different versions of whatever it was you was going to record, and then put one on one page and one on another. Can't be the exact same video. So some type of way they figuring that type of stuff out too. They're getting strict on these platforms, but it can be similar. You know, if you record something one time and turn around and record it again, because you know we have to record things. If I'm doing a TikTok or something like that, I got to record the thing 15 times just to get it right, and still they got it right. So you got all these versions to pick from. Put one over here, put one over there, and keep it going. That's the way I be doing it.